Hello traders, welcome back to the 1% First Club. On this channel, you will all see the scalping method. So here today I'm scalping gold on M1 chart. So let's check the indicators first. So here I have taken some moving average and RSI and volume, 6 indicators used for the strategy. Here I have taken only 20 EMA on the main chart applied to close, and then I have taken another window where RSI 7 taken and 50, 70 and 30 level included, and now I'm importing other small moving average to the same window. As you see here, it is 200 small moving average applied to close blue color, and on the same window you have to take 9 small moving average applied to close orange color, and you have to take 9 exponential moving average applied to first indicators data violet color. Finally, you have to take volume indicators by default setup, but you have to choose color like me, that is a gray color and black color according to your background color. So that's all. So here you see on the main chart only one moving average taken, and the second window we take an RSI and other moving average and volume. So that's it. So have a look on the chart. This is the orange smooth moving average, and this is the pink color, that is the RSI line and 7 period, and here violet on the second window, that is EMA 9. Okay, now scalping rules I will share you. Before rules, let's take entries. So I'm now analyzing the chart. This is M1 and zoom 0. As you know, there's a 4-level zoom, but zoom 2 is ideal for the MARSI strategy. And here on this channel, I'm talking all about the MARSI strategy. As you see here, on this rectangular box here, price fluctuating up and down, but price below 200 EMA for a long time, so it's on downtrend, but you have to keep eyes on the price swing. As you see here, it is a $20 account, very small account, and I'm scalping gold to flip it. Let's see how we can do that. So I have taken sell entry and immediate profit here. So why I have taken sell, you will I will explain. So this is the zero zone to see the previous level. So you have to see the zero zone first to see. Okay, now so that is the swing. Before taking entries, you always have to watch the swing, price swing. When price moving up and down, that is the swing. as you know. So let's check the EMA 20 swing. That is the violet color. Look on the screen. As you see, the violet color swing. So it's coming low and then high, then low, then high, then low. So it's making lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high. And that is the rules of downtrend. Lower high and lower low, making downtrend. So we can take sell entries. As you see, price went down nicely. So lower low, lower high means it's a downtrend. That's why we have taken sell entries from this level. So now we're taking profit. It is a $37 profit from 20. So it's more than 90% gain. So that's the add up. Now let's check other things you have to measure. So when price go down to from the 20, it means a downtrend. As you see here, green line is the price and the violet is the EMA 20. As you see, currently price is moving down from the EMA 20. It means downtrend. This is the zoom to EMA 20 and green line is price. Let's check the point where price coming down. You can take entries from this position here. So why we have taken entries from here? Have a look. What you see here. On the second window here, pink cross the violet, and that is the sign of entry. When pink pushing the violet, that is the direction of price. That is the entry signal. So when pink cross violet to downside, it is a downtrend. And when pink cross violet from the down to upside, so it is uptrend. So let's check the MARSI right now. As you know, one of my previous video covered the MARSI. So here we look for MARSI cross. Orange hitting up by crossing blue from a oversold zone, that is buy signal. As you see, price moving upward from here. Then orange coming towards the 70, that is the overbought zone. As you see here, this is the overbought. So price coming down again. So we can take sell entry from here. And here the orange on the second window, as you see, on the selling zone, because 70 level is the overbought zone. So we can take sell entry. It is a simple. So whenever we want to take entry, you have to consider the pink and violet chemistry. Pink need to cross violet. If you see it crosses down to up, then you can take buy entries. Here you see it is pink and it is violet. When pink cross violet and heating upwards, then it is a buy entry. So here you see pink. The need to coming down and then pink need to cross. The first pink need to come down and then it should cross upwards. Pink came down and now crossing violet, so we can take buy entries. So we are waiting to see pink going to cross again, and you see pink is still not crossing from down to up. Here is the price swing, and now it's crossing, so we're taking place buy entries, as you see. So this is important, how to take entries. So we just taken 2 entries buy from this position. So let's see the result. So here price moving upward, and from our entry level price now hitting upward, and here is the $10 profit. So we're just taking profit. So here we are now from $20 to $50, and again we're gonna take buy entries as it cross violet by pink from down to upward, but we have taken early entries because crossing not taking place. So as you see price moving down, so we just have to wait to see the pink gonna cross violet. As you see the okay, now it crosses, so we better taken buy entries from this position. So I'm adding position, so we're just waiting to see price hitting upwards much further. And another thing you can take account here, and that is the divergence. So divergence means the reversal. So pink is the RSI. So when you see price bottom to RSI bottom making two different direction, that is the Buddhist divergence. And now RSI crossing the RSI line, that is the pink line crossing the violet. So price hitting upward, and for this uptrend, here is the healthy volume. As you see the gray color bars showing that the healthy volume. So here we need a big volume to see price moving upward. So here big volume and price hitting upward. And here MARSI forming. Price is above 20 EMA on the main chart. As you know, when you see price on the price is above 20 is uptrend. take buy entries from here because violet crossed the pink. Sorry, pink crossed the violet. That's why price aggressively hitting upward, as you see here. Very aggressively price hitting upward. And here also MARSI forming nicely. $20 to $70. And it's still price hitting upward. This is zone 2. So our target is $100 from 20. And we are near to the 100. That is the ideology of 1%. We reach almost 100 plus, so I'm taking profit from this level. As you see here, orange reaching to the 70 level, so it is good time to take profit. Or you can hold the trade by keep monitoring. But as a scalper, you that's all from the 1% first clap, and orange reaching 70, and that is the end of this uptrend. So now check again the chart and the rules. Number 1, price ever go below EMA 20 is uptrend or downtrend. Number 2, let's check the price swing. There's 2 types swing: upswing, downswing. And then number 3 rules. Check MARSI near 70 it is a sell, near 30 is a buy signal. And MARSI crossover taken between orange and blue. Number 4 rules. Check pink violet crossover. That is the entry signal. Pink go up or down after crossover with the violet, and then pink going up is up uptrend, and pink going down after crossover is downtrend. So pink and violet because the entry signal. Number 5, take profit early or wait for next MARSI crossover. But that is taking time. As you know, scalpers don't take time to take profit or exit. Let's see the chart again to recognize the whole things. So here it is an orange on the second window, that is RSI window, when it is near to 70. So you can take sell entries, or that is the ending mark. Keep remember, we are scalping. So at a time we can short trade on buy or sell for any potential signal. So you just have to identify the potential signal. With proper risk management or money management, you can succeed. So I have taken a line chart, now I am taking candlesticks. So here the blue candlesticks represent the bull candle, and the orange candle represent the bear candle. And this is 20, the violet on the main chart, EMA 20. That is a trend identifier, short-term trend. When price is above 20 is uptrend, below 20 is downtrend, and here blue and the orange is the MARSI signal on second window. It's also a trend identifier, and finally on second window you have seen there's pink and violet. That is the entry signal. And you also see here the volume gray. When you see the gray white, and that is the strength of a signal. Big volume or healthy volume is the better. Volume gap means black. When you see a black session, that is there is no volume. That means here price less volume, so the downtrend is not as trendy, so the uptrend coming up. And here also you see the divergence that also tells us the reversal. So thanks for watching. Trading is easy.